Welcome to our parsimony tutorial on salary slips in the payroll module. In this video, we'll explore how to generate and manage salary slips for employees, ensuring accurate and transparent payroll processing. Let's begin by navigating to the payroll module on the parsimony dashboard. Click on Payroll to access the tools for managing employee salaries and compensation. Within the payroll module, salary slips are crucial for providing detailed records of employee earnings and deductions. Click on Salary Slip to initiate the process of creating a new salary slip. Here, you'll find a list of all existing salary slips in the system. To generate a new salary slip, click on the New button. In the creation form, you'll need to specify the details for the salary slip. First, select the employee for whom you're generating the salary slip. Specify the start and end dates for the pay period covered by the salary slip. Choose the company associated with the salary slip. Select the appropriate salary structure that applies to the employee for the specified period. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to generate the salary slip. The system will now display the salary slip, detailing the earnings, deductions, and net pay for the employee. You can print the salary slip by clicking on the Print button. After reviewing the salary slip, click Submit to finalize it. Great job! You've learned how to generate and manage salary slips in parsimony, ensuring accurate and transparent payroll processing. Thank you for watching this tutorial.